So now I hope you have a very good understanding of the backbone of the HSE, or you can say that overall HSE basically surrounds around these two elements, hazard and risk. What is HSE? Basically, HSE is finding the hazards and then controlling them, total HSE. And how we do that is called risk assessment. And now this is the third terminology, which is very important, and now we will understand it. So what is the risk assessment? The risk assessment is basically the process of identifying, evaluating, and controlling the risk. So simple. The process in which we identify the hazards and then we evaluate the risk associated with them and then we put the suitable control measures is called the risk assessment process. Let's further elaborate it. So basically, the risk assessment is the process of identifying all the potential hazards of the organization, evaluating their associated risk, and implementing suitable control measures. So now we see, now first of all, we understood the hazard. So identify the risk assessment process is basically the process in which we do minimum of the three things. Number one, identify all of the potential hazards of the organization that may impact us. Then we evaluate their probable impact and then we implement suitable control measures so we can make our processes safe. So that is called risk assessment. So basically, it is identification of the hazard, it is assessment of the risk, and then it is the prioritization of the action. No, let's further brief. In the later chapters, where I will explain this whole process comprehensively, but here I just briefly explain it further. So basically, risk assessment process is we identify the hazards. Then in the second step, we estimate the risk. Estimation is the process where we find whether this or any identified risk has any possible impact on organization or not. Then we evaluate if the risk has, we assess that the risk has potential to impact us, then we evaluate it. What is the level of the risk? And after the evaluation or on the basis of this evaluation, we prioritize them. We prioritize, let's say, high risk, so we can address them first, then moderate, then low